guys, so today I am making fans or frisbees, whatever you'd like to call them, but they're the foldable fan frisbee. So I've had so many problems with these when I first got them. I constantly, I don't know if it was too much heat or too much pressure, but the seams would rip around here. I don't know if anybody else has had that problem, but it took me a long time to find just the perfect setting. So as I've mentioned in past videos, I keep a notebook of all my trials and what works and what doesn't work. So I always have a record the next time I go back to do it, because you only want to go through that figuring out process once. So my process for the fans, I found that when I put a pressing pillow underneath, it was just too much, and that was one of the things that I thought maybe the seams were ripping. So I have this little microfiber cloth, which seems to be good. It's like to clean your cars with or something. So I have my fan, and I have taped my image onto it. I like the glue. I think it holds really well, but when I'm doing a lot of these, I just find it so messy, and I wind up making more of a mess because of the glue on my fingers. So I'm loving the tape. So I just place this guy on here, and then it comes with a little package, and I like to put something on there too. So this one does have seams. So a little secret I do, which is maybe not the most common thing that people do. I happen to just have a huge amount of polyester filling for pillows. And I've used it, I've tried out all different things, and I've used it to press. Like I put it inside of a shirt. So once they're pressed, it's kind of the perfect thing to go inside of this. So I just slip this inside, and it's just inside of the seams and just inside of the picture, and it seems to work. So I put them on together, put my sheet on top. So I have this set to 360 for 45 seconds. Super, super light pressure. See, barely had to push it down. It's really, really light pressure. So I was when I first started these, I was a little bit worried about the temperature and the time, but a good amount, I should have showed you the one before it, but a good amount of the ink has come off of this. So I'm pretty happy with how this came out. It's just a quick little promotional fan. I've made the larger ones that go all the way around, and those are actually quite stunning to see such a big one. But these are just some quick promotional things for a company that sells jewelry. And this is it in the bag. Really easy. So now we're ready here. Okay, so I'm just going to turn that off. I'm already really happy that I don't see any of the seams ripping. And I'll show, oh, it's hot. I like that. Well done. And I like that. It does stick a little bit, but it comes right out. So it does get onto this. This is a one-time use. There you go. Fan tutorial.